guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. Both my parents are home. I can't film them right now because they're both fucking paranoid as fuck.
Quit your cussing.
Quit your cussing. I don't have to worry about it now because I'm not even monetizing, so I can do whatever the fuck I want. Well, you taught me to do this, Dad. You used to cuss around me all the time when I was a kid, especially her.
I did not.
Yes. Oh, you did so. Every fucking... Yeah, see? He knows. That's where I got my cousin from, was you. You be in there, he fucking sell bitches dishes? Fuck you dishes. You be here cutting the dishes. You still do. What? It's not first thing in the morning. It's 1:30. It's 1:30. How's that morning?
I'm not feeling good. Be quiet.
I'm not feeling good.
You like somebody messing with you when you're not feeling good.
Oh, I love it. I love... I'm kidding. I know, but you've been up for like 2 hours. You should be up by now. Hey! Hey! You?
Take a picture of your mom in your sexy dress.
I'm not filming either of you because you're both paranoid.
So sexy and pretty and gay.
Did you bone?
I'm not. If we get new vets, we wouldn't have these issues.
Sexy, yeah.
Yeah, so pretty and sexy and gay.
Dad, you're gonna get copyrighted. Yeah, you can. Just singing a song, you get copyrighted.
Way back in the 50s.
Well, you can. Music is bad about that on YouTube. Yes, it is.
There's people playing music on there all the time where they're having sex on there. They don't get copyrighted.
What are you talking about? On YouTube?
On my porn.
That's porn, okay?
Same thing.
Do you hear
What
this?
type of Jake?
Ah.
Bone.
Give me that bone.
Yeah, chew on that, Jake.
You got issues, Dad? Huh?
Yeah,
So what's your sugar now?
You're my biggest issue.
What was your sugar?
3.
What?
3.
I think you missed
3. What?
3.
It was not 3. What was it?
He tried to put
Mom.
around one. He wants his bone.
I know he does.
Mom.
Get his bone.
He said sugar was 3.
Get his
He's
bone.
getting down low because of you.
No, you know it gets higher if it's me.
Probably about 1 now.
People are probably confused as fuck about what the hell you're talking about because most people don't know anything about it.
I was confused anyway.
A kid found my YouTube channel the other day from high school. Did you hear me? A kid found my channel the other day from high school.
Kid did what?
A kid found my channel yesterday from high school. He's from high school. Nothing.
Did you go over to your dad?
No. Anyway, guys, we'll come back later. Guys, we're just sitting here in the friggin' blizzard. You can't even see the road. My cat's after it. Get it, kitty. Cat, you're like in the jungle. You can't even see you. Look, you can't even see the cat behind the plant. Look at him. Look, he can't. He's stalking you, kitty. Are you stalking us? Huh? Mom, look, this is actually a blizzard. We're gonna go to the store. Are we still going to the store? We're gonna have to. I'll drive.
I'm driving you. You driving
What? I'll drive. Don't worry. I know you don't like driving, so I'll do it. What?
You driving me. You're crazy.
I'm crazy. Why do you say that? My dog came back, even though he didn't know he left, but he's back. Ooh, very photogenic, Jake. What'd you say? What did you say?
So I couldn't get the...
Mom's in here making omelets.
Get out.
No. Did you put... Yeah, you put pepperoni in it, didn't you?
Yes.
Which is weird. You should put bacon in it.
Here.
What? Hold on, give me a second. I want to show the snow. You can't even see anything. Look at this. It's crazy. There's a road down there somewhere, guys. How bad is out this window? Look out this window. Look at this. Oh, you can't see the trucks. Well, you can't see the field. Crazy. Alright, guys. I'll cut back later. Whoop! Let's go see what they're doing back here. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. What? Oh, man.
Come in here.
Dumbass.
I'm filming, too.
I was getting ready to attack you and here comes the baby.
I'm filming this.
No, you're not. No, it's just
I'm filming myself. Not you guys. It's me, not you. Look, it's on me.
Get out of here.
What are you
Jake, you put the bone on my bed.
Jake had to follow me.
Get all the nibbles out.
Nibbles.
Get it
Nope,
out.
clean it up.
Yeah, like you let him clean your shirt up after you eat.
Yep.
After he eats, you let the dog lick the stuff up that comes off his shirt.
Tell everybody everything.
He really does.
Benny, you know all this stuff. This is a Disney movie you watch.
It's How I Trained Your Dragon.
Wow.
Yes, it's a DreamWorks movie actually. It's a DreamWorks movie,
Is
Dad.
it a kid's movie? Or?
Yes, it's a kids movie.
Oops, I can't change in front of Daddy.
What?
Why you change it?
I'm leaving on this note.
Benny.
I'm leaving.
Good.
Good! Oh my god. They're fucking weird, Kitty. They're so weird. They're so weird. Kitty, 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 kitty. You're so weird. You're very photogenic, you know that? Yeah. Good, guys. I'm gonna come back once my dad's out here and he's getting ready to leave work. Have some last words with him before he goes to work, and then we're probably gonna go to the store, and I'll probably end the vlog. So we'll be back later. Whoop! Alright, guys. My dad's leaving for work. You got any last words?
Yeah.
What?
Get on my face.
That's already good last words. Come on, Dad. Last words. Come on. You gotta be uplifting, positive. Positive energy. Come on. Say the world's amazing. Do something.
The economy's going great. Everybody's making money except you.
What is this bullshit? Really, Dad?
Clarify that, babe. Say Benny.
What's that? My
Yeah.
son. What's his name?
What's his name? You don't even know my name?
My son, what's his name?
When's my birthday?
Don't do it.
July 15th.
Did you say Friday the 15th? What does that have to... Whatever, Dad. Any last words? No? Drinking your coffee?
Give knows all these people on here are black.
Dad!
They're all
That's
drug
so
dealers.
racist.
Boy, that is so racist.
Benny.
What?
Marie decides to move back,
What?
but on the
Look at Jake. He looks depressed as fuck.
confronted her.
Yeah, because you made him come in.
He said that he's gonna jump on you.
When you go bye-bye, take it.
He's gonna jump on you. Oh, look at the kitty cat.
Okay, I'm forgetting something because of you.
Like you forgot your water yesterday? Did you ever find your water, Dad? Here, Dad, I'll show you exactly where it was. Come here.
No, I know I got it.
Sure you do. Where is it?
In the refrigerator.
It's right there behind the grape.
Remember, you got to earn that dollar I gave you.
Woo! Oh man, earning $1 is hard work.
That's where he's going to be. I'm not going to believe you.
I haven't been do nothing yet.
Gave you $1 to be nice to me.
I haven't done anything yet.
Yeah.
Jake's raring to go.
I should stay home.
See, you always say stuff like that, but you never do anything.
Because I got worse things.
You got like 8 weeks you can take off.
Yes, I do.
You can tackle me.
I'll take them off in summer.
Yeah, we need to go on vacation. Like, you know, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
We're going to Bahama Mamas.
The Keys. Let's go to the Florida Keys. Why? Oh, it's just like West Virginia, except it's more humid and it's way hotter. It's like 140.
Yeah, I knew 140.
Yeah, it is. It's 140 degrees all year down there, Dad. That's why homeless people. That's why old people move there. You guys might go there and never want to move back. Especially Eric, 'cause you don't got to drive the snow no more. Is that right, Mom?
Yeah, that's me before.
The alligator's down here.
Yeah, I don't eat Jake.
See, we got bears up here, so what?
Dad, she flipped out she saw an alligator in her yard.
She won't flip out, she sees a bear.
What do you think Jake could do to an alligator?
Probably get eaten by it.
Yeah.
I'd say, right?
They actually do eat dogs. They're come to eat small dogs like that, especially when they jump in the water.
Crocodiles.
Mom,
Not.
Mom, alligator and crocodiles are almost the same thing.
Crocodile bears.
Yeah. Mom, did you hear us? They're known for eating small dogs. They jump in the water and they start splashing around doing a doggy paddle.
They go get a drink of water or something.
Yeah.
Dogs just catch 'em.
Jake, we're not gonna let a crocodile eat you. There's none up here, so he doesn't like water anyway. So Yeah, Jake, you don't like water anyway, so you're good to go. Because you're a Mexican dog, you like the desert. Did you hear me? Did you hear me, Dad? I told him Jake's a Mexican dog, he likes the desert.
I'm cross river when you get there.
The Rio Grande, really?
Yeah.
By the way, guys, you know what we're talking about? It's because our dog is a Chihuahua and we make fun of him. I know. He's a Mexican American dad. He's a Mexican. Dad.
He's proud of his heritage.
Sure. Did you say? You know he's born in America, right? Just saying.
Yes, that makes him American citizen.
His parents might not be though, or his great-great-grandparents, or probably great.
Here's the one I found both from.
Oh, cool.
Where I could see him.
It was right there yesterday too.
Oh, he was not.
Yes, it was. That one I saw it.
Well, no, we just quit screaming like a girl.
Yeah.
What am I forgetting?
I don't know, but alright guys, I'm gonna cut back later. Whoop! Alright guys, my dad has officially left, and now we're going to go to the store with my mom. I'm probably not gonna film anything because it's weird filming in the car. I might film once I get to the store. If I'm not, because I'm not going in because I gotta sit with my dog in the car. Come here, Jake. Come here, Jake. Jake! Ow, ow, ow. And then I'm gonna end it once we get back. Jake, he's back there trying to get my mom. He's back there. He barked at my mom because he wants to go, and he thinks that he knows that whenever, yeah, he knows. So like I said, I don't know if I'll vlog in the car or not. Probably not. But I will be back later. Hey guys, I know I said it was a good film, but you have to look at this. It's like a complete whiteout. What? I'm not. It's a total whiteout. Look at this. It's cool looking, bro. We drove into a storm and we disappeared. Like, well, look at this looks. You guys can't really tell on my camera. Well, my camera doesn't look that bad. You actually see pretty far. How is that? Okay. But trust me, guys, it looks way worse than what it actually is. My camera's not actually picking it up. You can't see, like, 20 feet in front of us. It's crazy. I just want to show you guys this, so we'll cut back later. Alright, guys, we made it back home, and it's still a blizzard outside. My phone doesn't even show it. They don't see how ridiculous it is. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We made it back. We got Subway. Subway. What? Let me get the dog. I'm not filming you, I'm filming Dick. He's very photogenic. Alright guys, I'm in the vlog here. Remember to like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and peace! Whoop!